This package is so on time as promised. I had to do this as soon as possible. And can you tell how excited I am over it? And there's a little bit of a story with this. I couldn't wait to get it open. Aw, isn't this so cute? Look at this holographic thank you card. And we all love frillies, don't we? It's packaged so pretty. So this is my order from I Am Biscuit. Yes, honey, you know I had to show my nail sister from the Shy much love. Tommy, thank you for your love and support. Biscuit, you are very welcome. Yes, these frillies are the cutest. I don't think it's showing up in camera, but they have like this pinkish pearlesque gloss finish. I love it. So these are her glitter acrylics, guys. Also take notice that they're individually sealed too. I really do appreciate that. And I also ordered some packs of rhinestones. Oh, Biscuit, your logo stickers are adorable. And you can see the seal around the jar better here. So I think that was Aladdin, then treasure chest, and I'll be swatching these. Pink lemonade, ocean eyes. Oh, this one had a part in the story. And then after midnight. And then there's a bonus glitter, which isn't an acrylic glitter. It's very pretty, with sparkly fine glitters and hexagons and the cutest pastel pink hearts. Now, if I remember correctly, she included this while resolving something with shipping. Then I got 2 bags each of colored stones. Guys, I want to say this. Everything, and I do mean everything, jars and bags are fully loaded. I know you can see that. So I'll be swatching in this order: pink lemonade, treasure chest, after midnight, Aladdin, and ocean eyes. Now, if it appears the jars are half full after I said everything was fully loaded, it's because I split the contents for being so afraid to stir it without spilling a lot. This was at first opening. It was so much of it. And I'll show you that at the end too. Okay, so I make it home one evening and had some free time to enjoy some videos, right? And I saw that Biscuit had went live and joined right away to find out she was swatching some gorgeous, and I mean stunning, glitter acrylics, right? Now, when I joined, there was already conversation started about the colors, of course. But it was like I was in oblivion because everyone else already knew the names of the colors, and I'm like, how is that? So I'm checking to see if I missed some comments or, like some words that may have flashed by or something like that, but nothing. Mind you, Biscuit was doing the swatches on, I think it was her sister, maybe, and her sister had her young son there, and even he was calling out the names of the acrylics, and he kept saying, do Ocean Breeze, do Ocean Breeze, and there were even comments for Ocean Breeze, and I'm thinking to myself, what is really going on? I'm the only one like saying, do the orange one next, do the orange one next. But all the other comments were like saying fancy stuff like, I want to see the spicy ginseng butterfly breeze. Now, I just made that up, but you get the effect, right? So it took a minute, but as I watched and there were more comments that flowed through, it finally dawned on me that these were her acrylics, guys. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. No, but that was hilarious though. Sometimes we do get busy that we miss content, which is basically what happened. I missed a swatch party that she had, and during that swatch party, her subs that had joined the swatch party actually picked all the names of the acrylic. So that's how they already knew. Isn't that the coolest? I just thought that would be great to share with you as you watch this and see how beautiful everything is. All of them are so stunning, especially in person, because we can only see what the camera is capable of offering when we're watching a video. But all of these glitter acrylics are just gorgeous. My mind is spinning with ideas. Oh, and while editing, I caught that I was using a different brush. I tend to use an extra old brush for glitters, which some of you know is usually my old brush from back in the day in school, but I couldn't find it. This is another old brush, and it's from Sally Hansen, and I refurbished it. Come to think of it, I think I may have recorded it way back then, but forgot and never remembered to post it. It actually had a black handle, but the color kept peeling away, so I sanded it off, and it turned out to be this clear resin. So I finished it with base coat, this twinkly glitter gel polish, and then top coat, and I really like how it turned out. So yeah, this is an extra brush that sits around to use for stuff like this. And this one is Ocean Eyes, and I realized too that I was mistakenly saying Ocean Breeze. You know something? I've been noticing too that there are quite a few blue loves in this nail family too. And this one right here will definitely do the thing for you. And I know I didn't hype up each color per se, but that's because I actually love them all. And I'll swatch this pink loose glitter too. Look at those stinking pink hearts. I wanted to make sure to get a couple hearts first to isolate them and make them more visible. So these are the swatches. And guys, I stopped buying swatch sticks a long time ago, but you know what? These made it a little more easy to spread out the glitter. And here's the gems out of the bags for a better look-see. Oh, and one more thing. Remember I said everything was fully loaded, but you probably thought the jars were half empty? And this actually works out for me because now these can go in my travel bag, which, by the way guys, I got a new one. And if you want to see it, let me know in the comments, and I'll do a show of it and explain why I chose the one that I did. I hope you enjoyed this. Hit the like button if you did. Remember to subscribe, and don't forget to check out I Am Biscuit's channel. Her link and the link to her shopping are in the description. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Much love.